FAIRshake Google Chrome browser extension and browser bookmarklet for Google Chrome, Safari, and Firefox provide easy access to display and perform FAIR assessments on any relevant website. I will demonstrate how to install and use the FAIRshake Google Chrome browser extension and the FAIRshake browser bookmarklet. Upon clicking on the Install Chrome extension tab in the navigation bar of the FAIRshake website, the user is taken to a page that contains a link to install the Chrome extension from the Chrome Web Store. This page also contains brief instructions on how to use the Chrome extension and examples of what the Chrome extension looks like when executed. I will add the extension to the Chrome browser through the Web Store. Once the extension is added to the browser, the user should be able to see the FAIRshake icon in their Chrome extensions bar. When the user navigates to the landing page of any biomedical digital object of their interest in the Chrome browser, they can click on the FAIRshake icon in the extensions bar, and an average bar, and a pop-up will appear. This pop-up displays the FAIR insignia for the digital object. Upon hovering over the insignia with the cursor, the user can view for each question the average FAIR score and question content. The pop-up also displays a link to the FAIRshake website evaluation form for the digital object where the user can sign in and submit a FAIR assessment. I will now perform an evaluation using this link. Question 1 says, the tool has a unique name and an informative description. From the tool homepage, we do not see any type of description as to what the tool does, only the name. We will enter no and explain this. Question 2 says, the tool can be freely downloaded or accessed from a web page. The tool is freely available for public access online. We will enter yes and the URL to the tool homepage. Question 3 says, the tool utilizes a community-accepted ontology. GText does not appear to have information readily available on the website about ontologies that this tool or the rest of GText use. We will enter no. Question 4 says, tutorials for the tool are available on the tool's homepage. In the Documentation Videos tab, there is a tutorial video provided for the tool. We will enter yes, but because the tutorial is available on a different page than the tool homepage. We will enter in the URL and explain this. Question 5 says, source code is shared in a public repository and is documented. The source code for this tool is not readily available on any relevant repository. For example, on GitHub, the Broad Institute has a few repositories related to GText, but none with the source code for this EQTL visualizer tool. We will enter no and explain our answer that the code is not available on GitHub. Question 6 says, previous versions of the tool are made available. There is no information about other versions of the tool, so we will enter no. Question 7 says, contact information is provided for the creator of the tool, and information describing how to cite the tool is provided. In the Contact tab, a contact form is provided, and in the documentation page, a sample acknowledgement statement is provided. We will enter yes, the URLs of the contact page and FAQ page, and explain that there is a contact form and sample acknowledgement statement available. Question 8 says, the tool can be accessed programmatically through an API and follows community standards for open APIs. There is no information about an API for this tool, so we will enter no. Question 9 says, licensing information is provided on the tool's homepage. There is no information about license or terms of use on the tool's homepage. However, in the Documentation tab, the type of data sharing policy the entire GText project follows is mentioned. We will enter this URL and explain our answer. Upon clicking Submit, we can return to the landing page of the digital object and click on the Chrome extension icon again. We see that the insignia was automatically updated to reflect our